Smooth Talk English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our very first episode. Today, I have a guest with me.
Hi, I'm excited but a little nervous. I never talk about my daily routine in English.
Don't worry. Step by step, we'll practice together. By the end, you'll feel confident to talk about your day naturally. Listeners, grab a notebook or record yourself. This is going to be practical. Don't just listen, participate. Let's start with the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up 7 o'clock morning.
Almost perfect. We need the preposition in the morning. So, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Try again.
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Perfect. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I brush teeth, shower, and eat breakfast.
Add small words for natural speech. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Small changes make a big difference. Listeners, pause here. Repeat after speaker 2. Speak slowly and clearly. Try adding your own activities. Now, let's talk about your work or school. How do you get there?
I take bus or sometimes walk if weather good.
Nice attempt. In English, I take the bus or sometimes I walk if the weather is good. Notice the articles and small helping words. They make your speech sound fluent.
I take the bus or sometimes I walk if the weather is good.
Excellent. What do you usually do at school or work?
I study, learn new things, talk with friends, do homework.
Try making full sentences. I study, learn new things, talk with my friends, and do my homework. This is more natural. Pause the podcast. Try describing your school or work day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Then check yourself with this structure. Let's finish with the evening. What do you usually do after school or work?
I relax, watch TV, sometimes read book.
Natural way, I relax, watch TV, and sometimes read a book. Small words like and articles like help your speech flow.
I relax, watch TV, and sometimes read book.
Very good. Listeners, remember, talking about your daily routine in English is not just grammar, it's confidence. Speak slowly, smile, and imagine you are telling a friend. Mistakes are okay. Correct them, repeat, and you improve every day. Do you feel more confident talking about your daily routine?
Yes, I can describe my whole day clearly now. I feel proud.
Perfect. Listeners, here's your practice. Record yourself talking about your morning, school, or work and evening. Listen carefully and find small mistakes. Repeat sentences with corrections. Add emotions, happiness, excitement, tiredness to make it sound real. Next episode, we'll cover daily routine conversation with more fluency plus small talk phrases so you can sound even more natural.
Thank you. I can't wait for next episode.
See you next time. Keep practicing and don't forget, English is learned by speaking, not just listening.